Hey guys, I'm here inside my closet and nabili ko to sa Costco and I wanted to try it kasi it says it's firming and smoothing neck cream and you all know I need it. Kasi alam mo yon, like kita na talaga eh. Kita na ang sign of aging. I'm not going to be able to prevent aging obviously, but at least I want to like maybe slow it down a little bit. So, try natin to. Sobrang sulit to because I think it was only $27. Tapos dalawa na siya. So ito yung may gua siya and this is yung refill. So that's a good deal, diba? So this is it. I'm so excited. And tabi natin yung refill. I don't know how long this will last me, pero I'm very excited to use it. Okay, so I twist it open to make sure. Ganyan. Okay, so it's ready to use. I'm just gonna squish it back. Let's see. Okay, I heard a little sound. Oh, ayun. Okay. Sabi pa ganun, like going up. I don't know if this is gonna work, pero I'll try anything. Wala tayong pang ani. Wala pa tayong pang Botox, guys. So, ito muna. I love the scent. So, ito pala. May mga tips dito. So, lightly massage upwards, starting from the collarbone. Oh, okay. I guess I need to take off my necklace. Let me take it off. So, it's collarbone to the chin. And then, also, you can do roll up and down along the shoulder line. So, dito. Okay. And then, roll horizontally below the collarbone and above the chest. So, here. Okay, yun lang. I just wanted to share. And if I remember, I'm gonna make another video siguro after a month and see if it works out, if there's any improvement. But at least I have this video to remind me what my neck looks like before I use this product. Bye guys! Thanks for watching!